Right, Caitlyn, so you scored 45 in the last, sorry, no, you scored 40 in the last paper one that I marked for you. So I'm looking for an improvement on 40. So those are right, encouraging start. No, 8,726 is not going to be 20 correct to the nearest 10. Okay, that's a huge difference between those two numbers. Correct to the nearest 10, it's either going to be 8,720 or 8,730 if you're counting up in tens. And 26 is going to be nearer to 30, so it's 8,730. Similarly, correct to the nearest 100, it is going to be 700, but it's going to be 8,700. So two careless little things there that are easily put right. That's right, well done. That's right, good. 6 is correct. 32 and 66 are correct. 0.78, 0.75, that is good. 5, 10, 7, 8, 2. Good. 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 for the first page. That's good, well done. 4 marks for that. Um, 5.5 perpendicular to DC. This is DC. So you're looking for the line which is at right angles, 90 degrees to DC, which is this one, AE. That's correct. You need to be able to know how to measure those. Take a look at me doing it on the video and practice it. Six for the page. That is obtuse, that is correct, that is correct, well done. 43 squares is correct. What have you done then? Not sure what you're doing here. 1, 2, not sure what you're doing at all. Anyway, that's completely wrong. All you need to do is to write 43, and then this is asking you to give you units. So if you'd have written centimetres squared there, you would have got a mark, regardless of what number you put there. So you're going to have a method mark for correctly counting the dots, an answer mark because that's wrong, and no unit mark because you haven't written down any units. So there's 6 marks for that page. 18, 25, 33, good. 5. X equals 8. X equals 6. Not sure why you've got times 6 there, or X 6. So I can't give you that mark. You can have that mark. You can have that mark. And this is something you need to be able to do because it's pretty easy. Watch how I do that in the video clip. Make sure that you can follow it and understand how to do it. 7 for the page. That method is wrong, and that is something that you need to be able to do. On the video clip, I've shown you 2 different methods for working that out. You need to choose one, practice it, and make sure that you can get it right, because it's easy marks. 48 divided by 3 is not what you need to do there. You need to work out what 48 in eighths is. So you've got to do 48 divided by 8 and then times that by 3. And with this one, you just take the 2 unit digits, 7 and 8, multiply them together, you get 56. Whatever that ends in, this must end in as well. So the only one there that could be is that one. Watch the video clip. You need to know what cube numbers are and what prime numbers are, and you've got that one right, well done. 2 for the page. Non-calculated subtraction, something you need to practice. That's correct. This isn't. It's not going to be 25 plus you're not adding 25 pence. For every one of those rulers, it's going to cost you 25 pence, so you have to do 25 times y. That one's right though, well done. And this one, 9r is correct, but it's not 11t because that's -4. So on the number line, you're starting at -4 and you're adding 7, you end up at +3. So that one's right, that one's not, that one is, and you've got one part of that right. That's right, and that's right, so is that, so is that, so is that. Brill. 4, 6, 8, 9 for that page. 62, well done. Oh, that's excellent. You're the first in the class to get either of those right, and you got them both right, so that's really encouraging. So that's right, that's right. Ascending correlation is not what we're looking for there. We're looking for the word positive. It's either positive correlation, which is ascending, going up, or negative correlation, which is going down. So you won't get the mark for ascending correlation. You haven't done this, okay, where you're drawing the line of best fit on the graph. So I can't give you that mark, but I can give you the bottom mark. For that, again, take a look at how I explain how you need to do that on my video of me doing the paper. 9 for the page. It only shows the height and weight. Good. That's a tricky question, but hopefully I've explained it okay on the video. See if it makes sense to you. And then on the last page, that's wrong. That's right, but there's also one there. That's wrong and that's wrong. So you're not going to get any marks for that. And then you lost all hope. I'm pretty sure if you watch the video clip, you would be able to make more progress on that page. So 40 last time. Let's see what you got this time. 16, 22, 28, 35, 37, 46, 55, 56. 56, much better. Big improvement already. It's not a C, it is a D, so you're closer. And I would say you're about 9 marks off a safe grade C with that. But a big improvement on the first one, well done.